to my channel, and thank you guys for watching. So in today's video we are back with another hair video featuring XRSBEAUTY Hair. You guys know that I've worked with them before, so this is actually my third time working with them, and it just gets better and better. So they sent me over their 20-inch 200% density clear transparent lace wig. This wig, oh my god guys, is so amazing. It came pre-plucked, and when I say pre-plucked, I mean pre-plucked. I did not have to do a thing to this wig. I actually went ahead and bleached the knots just for a more skin-like color to the lace, but I really did not have to. I could have put my face powder or my foundation and that would have been absolutely fine, and I'm just going to install it for you guys today. So yeah, keep on watching. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna be alone. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna be alone. Do you realize I can't sleep without you, think without you, eat without you, speak without you, be without you. I can't even breathe without you. I can't feel without you, deal without you, spin without you. My whole world is upside down. Don't wanna go out cause I can't ride without you. Feel like I'm gonna die without you. What is a girl supposed to do when I spend my last time to be in your life? I don't wanna be without you. Said I can't live, I can't go. Said I don't wanna, said I can't be, said I can't live, I don't wanna go. Said I don't wanna be alone.
I can't even breathe without you. I can't deal without you, deal without you, spin without you. My whole world is upside down. Don't wanna go out 'cause I can't ride without you. Feel like I'm gonna die without you. What is a girl supposed to do when I spend my last night to be in your life? I don't wanna be without you. Said I can't live, I can't go. Said I don't wanna. Said I can't be. Said I can't live. I don't wanna go. Said I don't wanna be alone. It's not working out.
Don't forget to check out the description box for all the links to this gorgeous wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.